Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Are you tired of looking at the same old boring Notion pages? What if I told you with just a few tweaks you could transform your workspace into something beautiful and inspiring? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from a plain Notion page to an aesthetically pleasing one with 9 simple tips and tricks. And because no one likes a long intro, let's get started. Tip number 1 is theming your workspace. This is where the magic begins. Start by choosing your color theme. You can either stick to one color palette across all your dashboards for a cohesive look or set different themes for each dashboard. Here's how you can set a default icon color in Notion. Go to the icon, select the color, and voila, a consistent, polished look. Additionally, you can change fonts by going to the 3 dots in the upper right corner and selecting the font that suits your style. You can also set the text to small if that's your preference. Adding custom covers is another great way to personalize your pages. You can choose from Notion's gallery and splash or upload your own. Tip number 2 is all about layout. The way you structure your page can significantly impact on how you use Notion. You can rearrange your layout by creating different columns and dragging elements around. Remember, the order matters. Top to bottom, left to right, especially when you're viewing your workspace on your phone. Use dividers to separate sections. The horizontal one is common, but did you know there's also a vertical divider? It's perfect for a cleaner look. Tip number 3 is adding custom charts. These are fantastic for visualizing data like habits or budgets. My go-to tool is Notion to Charts, but recently Notion launched its own native charts feature. If you want a tutorial on using the new Notion charts, let me know in the comments. I started using charts to track my habits, and it's been a game changer. Seeing my progress visually is so motivating. Tip number 4, custom templates. If you're short on time or need a little inspiration, templates are your best friend, and I've got you covered. You can visit my Gumroad page for a variety of pre-made templates like Finance Tracker, Habits Tracker, Books Tracker, you name it, either for free or at a very reasonable price. The link is the first in the description. Tip number 5 is widgets. Widgets are a fantastic way to add more functionality and visuals like clocks, weather updates, and more. I use Indify for widgets, but there are plenty of other options out there. It's like adding little interactive elements to your Notion. What are some of your favorite widgets? Tip number 6 is embedding multimedia. Just like widgets, you can embed things like Spotify playlists, GIFs, and images to make your workspace more engaging. Here's how you can embed a Spotify playlist to keep your favorite tunes handy while you work or study. Tip number 7 is creating a navigation section. This not only looks good, but is also super functional, providing easy access to different sections of your workspace. A well-organized navigation section helps declutter your main view and makes it easy to dive into specific areas. Tip number 8 is using callouts. If you've ever seen one of my templates, you know I love callouts. They are great for highlighting important information and creating a visual break between sections. I like to style them with icons and spaced out capital letters for a distinctive look. For tip number 9, let's explore the use of Gallery View. It transforms your boring database into a beautiful gallery display. You can add covers and show properties like formulas in a visually appealing way, making it easier to navigate and more fun to use. And that's it for today's video. If you have any other tips, feel free to share them in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new ways to make your Notion workspace more aesthetic. If you found these tips useful, a like will mean the world to me. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we're diving into the world of finances with an spectacular subscriptions tracker template. Trust me, you don't wanna miss it. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!